Welcome to EdTool. In this video, we'll go through the AI Creator and explore its extensive capabilities for generating engaging lessons. We'll start by clicking the Use AI Creator button to access the tool. The content generation process is structured in two steps. First, we define our prompt type, description, for text-based prompts, images, or PDF. We'll begin by typing Earth Science into the text field. We click Continue to proceed to Step 2. Here, the left side of the screen presents a list of our modules, and the right side is used for generating and modifying their settings. In the upper right part of the screen, we can define the target age group, which we'll set to 15 to 18 years old. Let's click Add Modules and select Choice. Once a module is selected, we can move to adjusting its settings on the right. We can create multiple unique variants by increasing the number of modules. We'll set it to 3. Below, we can see a few other settings that are specific to the selected module. We will set the number of options to 4. Now we click Generate to create our first exercise. We can now review the result and decide if we want to modify it or not. If needed, we can use the Edit button to apply some modifications manually. We can also refine the result with the Additional Prompt option by giving some further instructions about this exercise to the AI. We would like this choice module to relate only to the topic of volcanoes. Now, when we click the Regenerate button, the result will be adjusted according to our instructions. This shows how we can give the AI more specific instructions to achieve precise outcomes. In case of scored modules like choice, we can click on Allow to Check Answers option to include an activity toolbar module in the group, which enables the students to immediately check if they answered correctly. If the answers are intended only for the teacher, this option should remain disabled. With our exercise now ready, we click Accept in the upper right corner to add them to our page. Let's go to Preview mode to see the result. We can see 3 choice exercises wrapped together and the activity toolbar below. All our content is grouped and ready to use. Now, let's see how to generate an exercise directly based on just an image input. This option lets us quickly generate an exercise out of a photo taken from a textbook or any other uploaded image. We'll click the Use AI Creator and select the Images tab. Here, we can see 2 options for uploading an image. We can upload it directly from our computer or by scanning the displayed QR code, which will let us upload content from a mobile device. The scanned QR code directs us to a temporary website where we can upload a photo that we've just taken from a textbook with just a few clicks. We can preview our image by clicking on the eye icon, which is useful if we want to upload more than one image at a time. We click Continue to move to Step 2. Here, we click Add Modules and choose Connection. Since the default settings are sufficient in this case, we will only click on the Allow to Check Answers button. We can generate our exercise now. The AI quickly analyzes the image and generates a functioning connection exercise. Similarly to the previous exercise, we could provide additional instructions to the AI with the Additional Prompt if the results were not satisfying. We can proceed with clicking the Accept button, which adds the exercise to our page. With just a few simple steps, we have generated an interactive connection exercise which is ready for the students to solve. We can now move to the third type of input prompt, which is a PDF document. Let's click on Use AI Creator, select the PDF tab, and click on the button below to upload a PDF file of our choice. After uploading our file, we can see that it appeared on the list below. The Edit button lets us further adjust the input. Firstly, we can deselect any pages we don't want the AI to use. What makes the creator even more powerful is the possibility to edit the PDF that we provide. In this example, we will cover Exercise 7 with a rectangle mask tool because it references a video which we won't provide. If needed, we could also use the marker tool to erase smaller elements on the page. This ensures the AI only processes the text excerpts that we choose. After our changes are ready, we can close the editor. While we are still in the PDF tab, we click the cogwheel button on the right to access an additional panel from which we can enable the language textbook mode. It tells the algorithm to use text recognition to precisely understand the context and structure of the exercises. It is also possible to provide a short detailed instruction on how the PDF should be used. We will use it to tell the AI not to reference the short text excerpt from the textbook page. This ensures the generated exercises focus only on the general topic. In the next step, we add a text with drop-down gaps and add an additional prompt to get an activity similar to the Exercise 8 from our textbook. Since the AI creator can generate more than one exercise at a time, we'll also add horizontal ordering and true-false to our list. Now, we'll click the Allow Checking Answers for All Modules button to enable the possibility of checking answers in each scored module. We'll click the Generate All button, which starts the generation process for all modules on our list. The result properly reflects our instructions. We can click on the Accept button. All 3 activities have been added to our page and are ready to be solved. As we've seen, the AI Creator is an incredibly versatile tool. Whether we need content generated from text, images, or a PDF that requires detailed text recognition, the AI Creator provides quick and precise results. Make sure to watch our other tutorials to discover all the capabilities of EdTool. Try it out and generate your activities today.